People who've never had experience of homelessness will wonder why we complain about temporary accommodation. And I ask those people to imagine. Imagine, for whatever reason, you've lost your home and this is your stopgap. Imagine water pouring down your walls, electrics that don't work. Imagine you could be moved without notice. You don't know that the bed that you wake up in is going to be the bed that you sleep in the next night. Now imagine if you've got children, and when you put them to bed at night, you are risking their health. Imagine you're that child at Christmas, nowhere for a tree or a place to hang your cards. And then imagine that child going back to school, hearing about the amazing Christmases that their friends have had. Imagine more than 1,500 children in Wales without a home this Christmas. Actually, don't imagine. It's the truth. Donate to Shelter Cymru and help us give parents a safe place to raise their children this Christmas. Visit sheltercymru.org.uk.